the bird attack is done. But sadly, we did crack an egg, and also, if you can look out there, there's a baby bird chirping for its mom out there, sadly. And there's his mom. That's a careless mom. Look at it. There's the dad. They're careless. They don't care about their child. He's gonna die. Terrible parents. That's not my fault. Apparently they don't want to kill me now. 10 minutes ago they did. Well, there's just a baby bird sitting there. There's the mom looking for him. He's right there. They're standing right next to him. Yeah, there's a little baby one that doesn't have its feathers yet. And then there's an egg that cracked. All three of them fell out of the nest.
Yeah, they're all going to die now. That was very mean of you.
Already, one of them is dead. Maybe one might survive, and the other one's died. There's two of them still alive, because they weren't in their eggs. One's just struggling over there. Crying for its mom, and then there's another one who has no feathers over there in the spikes, getting his feet and skins hurt. But how did he get out? It's way up there. I didn't even hit the nest. I only poked the nest. I went to see if there was any birds in it and scare them away.